Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up custom LED lamp notifications for your MOTOROLA Edge 30. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, begin a search for an app, enter notify body, hit that search button, select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app, move to the next step. Here, grant free permissions to the app. So first one is phone permission, click allow, overlay permission, click grant, locate notify body, select it and then allow display over the other apps. Move back, go for notification permission, find notify body and allow notification access, then select allow. If we go back again, we can also disable battery optimization, but it's optional, you don't need to do it unless the app doesn't work properly. Now let's move to the next step and click OK. From here we can already start using our app, and there's a few tabs down here. First one is user. Here you can pick any app to allow it for this custom LED lamp notification, so I'm gonna pick Opera. Next is system. Here you can pick any system bound apps. I'm gonna choose Chrome. In the active you can see all the apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can change everything about your LED lamp, like the time between blinking, color, shape, placement on the screen, size, whatever you want, but some of the options are locked behind the premium version. Now if you want to see how the LED lamp looks like, click on the test and here we can see our LED lamp. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.